What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally installing the charge pipe. I am very excited. We're waiting on my buddy Matt to come over and help me out with that, and because it does seem like it would be a two-person job. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this installation video. Okay, so in order to get the charge pipe out properly, I took off the air filter here. The charge pipe is right here. So there's like this little clamp that needs to come off, and Matt's down there doing the same on the bottom. Just pulling up. Cool. I think I got it. You can already kind of see here how far down it came. Like this, all this metal, the clean metal is what was underneath right there. So it's almost off and should be able to. Matt was actually just had it off a second ago.
It's a quick push down.
Just a quick push down.
And then slide off.
Slides off, just like that. So then we're just gonna move all this stuff up and wiggle it out.
Bring the charge pipe through.
Yep, I'm gonna try to push from the bottom and we'll see
how it goes.
We'll see how that goes. Looking here, this is the, right here, this is the intercooler. And it was just right here. So pushed it up a little bit more, a little bit harder while Matt was pulling, and it just came right off. So now the tricky part is that it has to go like there and up, and we have to pull that like that from the top. So I'm trying to see how to wiggle it from here. Let me show you on top, from the top, like so. So this has to come up like that,
straight out,
and we have to wiggle it because it's like a really weird, ugly shape. It's the ugliest pipe in the entire car.
Look, look. Yes!
There it is.
Fuck out of here.
Stupid thing. Okay. So from where the clamp is, everything from the top is the new charge pipe, and this right here is a intercooler pipe. So that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So should be now able to just toss the top on, screw it on, and put the intake on.
All right, push. Push, push, push. Oh.
Hang on.
Push.
Hang on. Okay.
Nah, we're gonna have to one piece it.
What the fuck?
So tight of a fit on that hose, you're gonna have to like 360 spin it like 9 times to get it on.
Oh, it's so close.
Perfect angle. No, you need to twist to your right. Right there. Go straight. Straight.
But this is facing completely the opposite
I know,
way.
now you have room to twist.
Now?
Yeah.
Can't twist more than this. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's not gonna go. I don't think so.
It's so close.
It's not up here.
Alright, then let's turn it one way and then we're just gonna have to twist it. Let's try from the bottom. Do you want to just feed me it? Like, give me it here, I'll twist it.
Alright, it's the next day, and Matt and I decided that it is not possible to install the charge pipe without taking the intercooler off. We have tried every way possible. We tried, so because of the shape of the old one, you can see, so that's the bottom. This is kind of how it goes. It comes out like so, and then goes like straight in like that. So this is a really awkward shape. So this one has a very slight amount of bend in this little ribbed part. The new one, it doesn't, but it comes in two pieces. Now, the connector, the rubber piece that connects them, the problem is that it's just a very tight fit, and it's very difficult to like actually put that together like down there from the top. So we have tried mounting it on the bottom on the intercooler and just putting the top in and putting it in like that into the sleeve, and that works. But then we ran into an issue that this wouldn't clear. So that was not an option. Then we tried the other way around, where, as you can see now, I have the top already connected. I don't have it clipped in, but I just have it kind of snug in there. And I have the sleeve on there. Now we have to just put the bottom part, but the bottom part now won't go on because it's just like a perfect fit that you can't really like wiggle it or anything like that. So we were banging our heads at this for a couple hours yesterday, and then we decided that we're gonna definitely have to take out that intercooler. So I've watched some videos overnight, and I didn't see. I don't think I should experience any issues getting it out, especially I'm not upgrading it, so it should be able to come out. Okay. I don't know how much you can see here, but right here on the side there's a little black piece that is just sitting inside of some grooves over here on this pipe, which is kind of holding it together, and that is sort of also holding our C-clamp, our little clip. I guess that's not a C. It's actually holding our clip in place, and I'm pretty sure it's on two sides, not just one. So I'm gonna be trying to get that off now. You guys, Matt's here. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Good. I'm trying to unclip this stupid clip.
Got it. Shit's ready to come down now.
We got the clip off. The intercooler is pretty much free to come down. We're gonna get some food and then carry on.
It's close.
I just feel like
I think maybe it's still stuck on that hose enough that it's still holding it in there.
this.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, there you go. Now it's off.
but still, it's gotta like
Slide
wiggle
it.
out, like
Oh, because of the bar.
because of this plastic. To like. Oh shit.
Oh! What do we have there?
Well, it dropped a little bit.
Yeah, I see it. I have a good idea. Let's drop it down maybe another like few inches, and then let's put a jack stand under it so we can hold it into place.
Okay. Alright, so I dropped the intercooler, put a jack stand underneath it. It won't just fall out, but I want to see if we can get to this without just taking it off all the way. This is just gonna be a pain to put back in if it's out all the way, but it's not impossible.
Alright, let's drop the fucking intercooler. I try, I just can't get my fingers in there all the way.
Alright. Get it out.
Yeet!
I got it. I got this side. The baby intercooler.
Baby.
We're not upgrading that yet. We'll leave that stock for now and then we'll upgrade it if we need to later on. Now those should be enough room down there. Let me clean this, yo. Or at least like get rid of this gunk. It's like a nest in here or something. That's disgusting.
Alright, top C-clamps on, secured in place.
Jeez. That's just wild.
So funny.
Okay. We were able to connect everything here, put the clamp in, put the sensor back. Now we're gonna plug in this cable. Yeah. Click. We still have to connect this hose here, the vacuum hose. That goes back into the intake. Both of the C clamps that tighten that sleeve are tightened now. Okay, we have everything that should be plugged into the church pipe. It's not plugged in. All that's left now is just to put the intercooler back, put the intake back together.
And the wheel well.
And the wheel well. And the cover.
Yeah. We'll get this side clamped on first. And then this. So that means I can start putting that on while you pull the rest of that shit.
Alright. Let's start with the intercooler. Let me pull this down. Drop just a little more, half inch more. Drop. Okay. Like that.
I was gonna say, did you just do it?
Yes.
Like, oh, like that.
Alright guys, the CTS turbo charge pipe is now officially installed. The car is not really behaving that much different compared to the stock one. I think I'm just a little more, I just feel a little better about pushing it a little harder at times. It's not like I drive full throttle all the time anyway, but when I do, I don't feel like, oh, my car might break now or this pipe might burst now or something like that. In terms of sound, I think that most of the sound upgrade came from the intake. In terms of the install, look at that, F31, wagon life. Nice. In terms of the install, it was a little bit of a pain, but I think it was a pain for the most part because Matt and I didn't want to take the intercooler out. Well, I didn't really want to take the intercooler out like from the get-go unless I was replacing it, and had I just taken it out from the beginning, it would have gone a lot smoother. But hey, now I know, and now you know. So hopefully, if you're watching this, I wouldn't try to do that with your intercooler still in. Basically, the only kinds of improvement that I've been able to somewhat feel from doing this charge pipe is just that the throttle is just a tad bit more responsive, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't fear my car is gonna break if I wide open throttle it, which I don't really do all that much, but you know, when I do, like straight off the light or something like that, it's kind of nice. So if I'm in a light and I just want to if I'm in a light and I just want to, you know, quickly have some fun, have a little pull to the next light or something like that, or if I need to overtake someone, I don't know, things of that nature, it just makes it a lot more fun, makes me feel better about it, if anything. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about how to install this or anything of that nature, let me know down in the comment section below. I try to answer every question that you guys ask. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.